Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership before the auto renewal date. This is particularly useful if you want to avoid being charged for another billing cycle while still enjoying the benefits until your current period ends. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management choices. From this menu, click on Prime Membership. This will take you to the dedicated section where you can view and manage all aspects of your Prime subscription. Now, although I don't currently have an active Prime membership, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to expect. Once you're on the Prime membership page, look toward the upper right area of the screen. You should see an option that says either Manage Membership or Update, Cancel, and More. Click on this option to access the membership management settings. This is where Amazon gives you control over your subscription preferences. Next, you'll want to click on End Membership. This button is specifically designed for users who wish to cancel their Prime benefits. Once you click it, Amazon will likely show you a confirmation screen highlighting all the benefits you'll be losing by canceling. This is their way of trying to retain you as a subscriber, but if you're certain about your decision, simply select Continue to Cancel. This confirms that you understand what you're giving up and want to proceed anyway. After that, Amazon will ask you one more time to confirm your choice. You'll see a button labeled either Cancel My Benefits or Cancel Membership. Click on this to move forward with the cancellation process. Amazon wants to make absolutely sure this is what you want before finalizing anything. Finally, you'll be presented with a crucial option. Look for the button that says End on followed by a specific date. This date represents the end of your current billing period. By clicking this button, you're choosing to cancel your membership at the end of your already paid subscription, which means you can continue enjoying all Prime benefits until that date arrives, but you won't be charged for the next renewal cycle. This is the smartest way to cancel because you're getting full value from what you've already paid for. And that's it. You've successfully set your Amazon Prime membership to cancel before the next auto renewal date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.